The Bugatti Motorhome 700 is a groundbreaking concept that blends hypercar performance with the comfort and utility of a luxury motorhome. Designed for automotive enthusiasts who demand speed, style, and sophistication in one package, this futuristic vehicle redefines what it means to travel in ultimate luxury. The Motorhome 700 is not just a camper, it's a high-performance lifestyle machine built with the craftsmanship and precision synonymous with the Bugatti name. Under the hood, the Bugatti Motorhome 700 is rumored to house a hybrid V12 powertrain capable of producing over 700 horsepower. This setup allows for impressive acceleration and smooth cruising even when fully loaded. Unlike traditional motorhomes, which prioritize space over performance, this model delivers both. The powertrain is paired with an advanced all-wheel drive system and adaptive air suspension, ensuring a smooth, balanced ride on highways or winding mountain roads. Fuel efficiency is enhanced through a smart hybrid management system that switches power modes depending on terrain and driving style. In terms of design, the Bugatti Motorhome 700 is a showstopper. The sleek, aerodynamic profile takes cues from the Chiron and other Bugatti hypercars, with a low, lung front, dramatic LED lighting, and carbon fiber accents throughout the body. The extended cabin is seamlessly integrated into the chassis, creating a futuristic silhouette that looks more like a concept vehicle than a traditional motorhome. Retractable solar panels, a panoramic sunroof, and digital side mirrors further enhance the high-tech aesthetic. Inside, the living space rivals a luxury hotel suite. Premium leather seating, custom wood finishes, ambient lighting, and digital touchscreen controls create an environment of elegance and comfort. The lounge area converts into a full bedroom, while the kitchenette features high-end appliances including an induction stove, compact fridge, and smart sink. The bathroom includes a rainfall shower, modern sink vanity, and space-saving toilet design. Every inch of the interior is optimized for comfort and function, making it ideal for long journeys or extended road trips. Tech-wise, the Bugatti Motorhome 700 is packed with smart features. A central infotainment system connects seamlessly to all mobile devices, offering streaming, navigation, and climate control from a single interface. Built-in 5G connectivity ensures passengers stay connected on the go. Safety is also a priority with adaptive cruise control, lane assist, emergency braking, and surround view cameras included. The Bugatti Motorhome 700 is not just about luxury, it's about making a bold statement. It represents the merging of high-speed performance with the slow-living comfort of a home on wheels. Whether you're heading to a track day or a weekend getaway in the mountains, this motorhome turns every trip into a luxury experience. If you enjoyed this detailed review, make sure to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more unique automotive content. This is Auto Review Pro, your go-to destination for the latest car reviews, future concept vehicles, and expert automotive insights.